Hey guys, sorry about the Doodle Maker video walkthrough. I did not have my audio settings correct, so you did not get to hear the sound in any of that. So I'm just doing a follow-up video just to show the sound. And
what is marketing?
This is the test video.
How can I market my business? How do I get my business found on the internet? And what about social media? If you are just starting out in business, you may be surprised to learn that marketing is not just your advertising campaigns. It is not just the things you spend money on. There are many ways to market your business without spending a dime. In fact, many of the best marketing techniques are free or very low cost.
Okay, so that was the example video that I did, and we used Doodle Maker for that. So the advantage is that we said with Doodle Maker, that artificial video creation, that was pretty poor, but at least it starts to give you an idea and you can play around with it. You can put in the text and it gives you those images. It's got some templates on it. The templates probably not the greatest. One-click language translation. It's got 160 human-like voices, lifelike they say. You can translate it into 60 languages, whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard animator. You can change the background. You can remove picture backgrounds, which is pretty cool. You can also do custom draw paths on this. So if you have an image, you can set the program up of where you want the hand to draw over it, which is pretty cool, which I didn't show you in the demonstration that I did. And basically then it's got commercial license around the video, and all for $49 American one-time price. So when you compare that with Doodly, which is one of its competitors, you're paying $39 a month for its base package if you do it monthly, or $20 a month billed annually, so $120 just to be able to get access into this one. So price point, Doodle Maker, if you're starting out, is definitely a winner and the choice that I personally would pick. It's not as polished, it's not as higher quality as what Doodly is, but you get what you pay for. This is a really cheap starting software. If you like it, if you started doing videos out there, then you can always try out some of the other tools that are available. So thanks for watching the quick review on Doodle Maker in conjunction with then the walkthrough that I did. This should give you enough information to make a decent purchasing decision whether or not Doodle Maker would be for you, or maybe another piece of software. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to get notifications of any other videos that we are uploading, click that bell. And for any feedback, any questions, whatever you got on your mind, please comment and let us know, and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely time. Enjoy.